Picturesque Bandi Amir was once a popular tourist destination in Afghanistan. Now, it was deserted due to US sanctions.
بند امیر یک بندی است که تمام مردم به خاطر سیاحت تفریح یک جایی است که بسیار مقبول. دیگه مردم به خاطر تفریح چکر خوشگذرانی میه. امی کشور امریکا می کاره بالای مردم افغانستان کردن. مردم افغانستان با این کار بسیار به حالت خراب آورده و بسیار مردم مشکلات اقتصادی داره. مشکل اقتصادی زیاد است، کار نیست در افغانستان، جوانا بیکار است، پیسه که نباشه مردم راحت چکر نمیه.
Tourists are now rarely seen in Bandi Amir, which is part of Afghanistan's national park in the central Bamiyan province. It is comprised of 6 natural lakes and separated by natural dams made of travertine.
The people of Baamian were here, had restaurants, hotels, and they were businessing here. So this year there's nothing. Everything is just closed. There is no tourists. The second thing, there is no services, hotels, nothing for eat.
In the wake of the withdrawal of the US troops, and the Taliban's takeover of the country's power in August last year, Washington has frozen some $9 billion of Afghan assets, which has worsened the war-torn country's already fragile economy. In a decree issued in February, US President Joe Biden allocated $3.5 billion from the frozen Afghan assets to the 9/11 victims' families, and earmarked another $3.5 billion as humanitarian assistance to Afghanistan. The decision, which has further exacerbated Afghanistan's economic woes, has been widely condemned in Afghanistan. According to aid agencies, more than 22 million Afghans out of the country's some 35 million population are facing acute food shortages. And the war-torn country would face a humanitarian catastrophe if not assisted.
نه یو درې څلور میاشتې مخکې ملګرو سره راغلي وو، دا کوم ملګري چې د همدوی سره یو پیره مخکې هم راغلي وو، او اوس چې مخکې به بیروبار لږ زیات و، سیلانیان به ډېر زیات راتلل، پخوا په پرتله اوس سیلانیان ډېر کم شوي دي. لاره کې څه مشکل نه و، سړک هم ډېر ښایسته سړک و او لاره کې څه په عذاب هم نه کړلو.